Hey YouTube, today I'm going to show you a simple trick on how to repair the lexan body on your RC car. This is a Traxxas Slash 4x4 VXL. It's my nephew's truck. He's got some damage on the back. I'm going to show you how to fix it. It'll make it probably 3 times stronger than it was before. Very simple, cheap, easy thing to do. You can do it yourself. You can buy all the stuff at Walmart. I actually use it on my Arrma Notorious, which I bashed at the skate park and broke like really bad. I'm going to glue it back together too. A few things: rubber gloves, alcohol, which is used to clean with, a clean rag for your alcohol. You need drywall tape. This is the plastic kind with the little squares cut out in it. It's hard to capture on film there, but those little squares actually do have a function, and it goes along with this E6000. It's clear. It's a flexible, paintable adhesive. Very good stuff. This will save you a ton of money in the long run. Pull this body off. We're going to inspect it. Got a little damage right in here. It's wore thin, starting to crack through. Down here on the bottom, it's actually broken. And it's actually broken on this other side, as you can tell. A little thin right there, but also right here around your body mounts. So we're going to try to repair all this. Very simple. Here, I'm going to make sure this body is very clean wherever you're going to try to repair it. If it's not clean, you're wasting your time. Anywhere that's dirty will not stick. A rag to put under it in case you make a mess, unless you're just not worried about the surface you're working on, because this stuff will stick to whatever you put it on. Your tape, pair of scissors, this tape. You're just putting it in the places that you're going to try to repair. If you're going to put this where your body mounts, you need to make sure that you have clearance so that your body pins will still go in. If you don't, you're going to have problems. So I cut it small because I know that I'm putting it right there. It's the only place it's really going to go. Right there. Cut too big a piece, it'll turn into a mess. Okay guys, don't forget, between each coat it needs to dry. We're going to put a total of at least 3 coats on to make this strong enough to hold up. So, we put in a piece here. It doesn't want to set down. Right here. I think video's even catching it. Get up here. There we go. See how this piece here doesn't want to set down? Take a pair of scissors. Just put a little relief in it. Bam. Problem solved. The other side, same problem. Relief. Problem solved. Very important step here. Don't forget to put on your rubber gloves. You'll thank me for that later. I promise. Next, open him up. Just kind of go to town on it. Spread some. You ain't got to spread it ridiculous, but spread it pretty good. It's okay to go over the hole. You can take a drill it back out when you're done if you're doing body post, which I failed to mention earlier. Make sure it's not dripping out your holes. Okay guys, if your body's beyond repair, like mine, keeps falling apart, a little trick, across the outside of it, a little piece of duct tape. Now, when you put it together, it will work. body. It's not broken anymore. Got our drill and our drill bit. Size the bit up by the front. Poke your hole. That's simple. Now it's ready to use. 2 or 3 good coats, it'll be good as new. I've got the inside glued back together with 1 coat. I'm going to put some on the outside to help hold it together. Pretty simple. Just going to fill it in. Gonna fill in the cracks. Remember, this stuff's paintable. If it really hurts your feelings, you can paint it. I have no intention of painting mine right now. May have a change of heart in the morning, but I just want it to stay together. Arrma Notorious. Those bodies are $60. I've saved this body and the slash body for somewhere around $6 or $7 counting drywall tape and everything. Those bodies together would be about $110. So, in my opinion, this is a great financial decision if you're going to bash them, which is all I do with this Notorious. Don't forget, guys, like, subscribe, pound that bell button. That way you can stay notified on new tips and tricks that could save you money, make you have more fun in the long run. And if you get out bashing, don't be afraid to air it out.